In this video, I'm going to show you how you could get Divine Spell for free in Clash Royale. So, what you want to do, go to Safari and go to the Supercell store. This is a link right here. Let's go to the Supercell store, go to Clash Royale store, log in with your ID. Okay, once you're into Supercell store, as you can see right here, unlock Divine Spell for free. Press go. Press it, and boom. As you can see, you got it. And what you want to do, go back to Clash Royale. Just open it up. And as you can see, I got it. Boom. And yeah, that's really it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.